What's up guys, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video. It's your boy Rush back at it again. Today I'm over at Voodoo Autosport because my boy Shaq is dropping off his car. You guys have seen Shaq before. He has another Whipple Mustang, and well, here's mine. I brought the car back in, had Kalen, the man that did the install, kind of just look it over. I just wanted that peace of mind knowing everything is good to go before I really open it up. I've been kind of going pretty easy on it, just put in some like braking miles. So car's back here. You take a look at it, giving me the thumbs up.
Everything looks good.
Everything looks good. So yeah, we're just ready to go now. And then he's dropping off his car for some more work. He's pretty much addicted to getting work done on his car at this point. So I'm excited to have him show you guys what's done. Maybe we'll film that later in another video. But yeah, so I got to take him for a ride now and show him how my Whipple Mustang drives. So here we go. All right, man.
All right, brother.
We'll see
Thanks,
ya.
Kalen. Oh, no problem, Jack. Have a good day, guys.
You too. Woo! God damn. Tight space again. Of course, I'm gonna drop my phone as soon as we leave. Okay, guys, so giving Shaq a ride home, but I wanted him to kind of get in my car and tell me if the burbles and pops are normal. Because I don't know if his car did as much as mine did.
I did the exact same
thing.
Exact same thing.
That's
Same thing. Mine did
normal?
the, yeah, mine did the exact same thing.
good. I don't know if you guys can hear that all that well, but it's been pretty loud, pretty violent.
It's a lot different on camera than in person though.
Yeah, it doesn't sound as crazy on camera.
Yeah.
It sounds like little pops, but
Little pops on camera, yeah.
but once you hear it in person, it's like actual explosions are going on. But I'm glad I got the car checked out by Voodoo, so I got the green to go to really kind of open it up, go wide open throttle. All right, guys, I'm gonna give Shaq a little pull of my car. I know he probably like already knows what it feels like and everything, but just
Yeah, it's not really in the passenger seat.
not
too
in the
much,
passenger
though,
seat,
so-
so it's a little different. And I mean, we have different gearing, so our cars are a little different.
Yeah.
See, my car doesn't hit hard unless I'm in track mode.
Yeah.
Ready?
Let's do it.
Damn. Actually, I heard the Whipple a little bit.
Yeah, I know. I heard that too.
Whew. All right.
What do you think? First boosted car.
It also got my heart jumping a little bit. Definitely moves, dude. It's got some fucking
Dude,
punch.
yeah.
How's it going with
I
passengers?
heard that. Oh, dude, it pulls you hard. I can feel it in my stomach.
Yeah.
But you could actually hear the whine a little bit right there. I was actually pretty surprised.
Alrighty, guys. Tonight, I finally get to really kind of see what my Whipple Mustang's all about. As you guys know, the first night of having the car, we had some issues, but I was able to get it all figured out and sorted out. So now I'm out again. This time, obviously, we're in Mexico, and we're actually going to get to see what this car is all about. I have two cameras, so I want to show you kind of the dash and everything, and this is all my information here. So I'm just doing this for my personal reasons, just so I can keep an eye on everything that is going on with the car. And the other reason is I just need to kind of see if there's any knock or anything else that's being detected by the car. But I'm going to do a few pulls, just kind of see where everything's at. I've never really kind of opened up the car, so I figured it's best to open up when there's really nobody else on the road. It's pretty empty. So we're going to wait till we get a nice stretch of road here in Mexico and then kind of just get on it a little bit and see what she's all like. So I think I'm going to roll onto it from third gear for the first time opening it up. I'm in track mode, and here we go. Jesus, pulls so freaking nice. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. That was literally breathtaking. Wow. And You can hear a little bit of the whine, not too much because of that closed airbox, but wow, man, that pull was really, really nice. I mean, that thing was ripping. So let's just double check everything. All our temperatures seem to be okay. Air fuel 14.2. Our cylinder head is 195. Inlet air temp is 59. And then IATs is 95. So we're pretty good. It's a nice cool night out here, so it's definitely boost weather. That was pretty dang quick. Okay, there we go. Turned off advanced track so it doesn't cut power. Let's see if I'm rolling on from... Wow. Just wow. Like literally, like I don't even know what word to say other than wow, this thing just hauls ass. Try to lower roll this time. My first time doing a 40. Whew. Okay, I'm done doing my testing. This thing fucking rips like a bat out of hell. And the nice thing is with the 325s I have out back, I'm actually hooking up decent. I mean, I don't feel any tire spin, wheel spin. So addictive. So she's holding up just fine. Everything seems to be good. I can feel though that it is pulling time, and probably that's because of the 91. It definitely feels like it's holding back, especially once I open it up, once we really get moving high up in the RPM range. It just does feel like there's something being held back. I feel like I'm not getting the full juice out of it, and that's probably due to the fact that it's like 91 is not the best. So this is a very conservative tune from Whipple. Make sure that you don't blow your engine up. That's completely understandable, but yeah, you definitely feel it. It doesn't feel like as aggressive, I guess you could say. Go guys, this is gonna be a 50 roll. God damn, I have just literally shit myself. That was so damn fast. All right, so after doing a couple pulls, this car has definitely got my blood pressure through the roof, man. It's a lot of excitement, a lot of fear at the same time because it moves real well, considering this is a Whipple tune, and I'm honestly super impressed. Like, this thing definitely hauls ass. I don't know how it's gonna do racing. I still have yet to race anybody with it, but I'm really stoked to kind of see how it does. I know it's a monster, so I'm just ready to kind of put it up against another car and see. So I'm gonna end out the video with just another little pull right here. All I gotta say, man. Wow, literally I'm the driver of this, and before it never really it like never felt like this, never gave me the chills the way it does right now, man. Right now it is definitely leaving me on the edge of my seat with how damn fast it feels. Oh jeez. Okay, well anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video for real. If you did, make sure you drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It's your boy Rush, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.